morning, students. How are you today? You're welcome back to KSIS International School. You can reach us at the website provided or contact Teacher King on the number on the screen. So today we'll be taking on Let's Go 5. Okay? They are our grade 3 students. So let's go get it started. Today we'll be looking at nouns, singular and plural. We're looking at nouns today. So let's go take a look at what we've got. Let's go there. So as you can see, we've got our singular and plural. Singular, plural. A section, we've got 1 pen, 2 pens, 1 apple, 3 apples, 1 cup, 4 cups, 1 elephant, 5 elephants. To make the plural form of most nouns, add s. You see? So by adding s to pen, we made pens, which is the plural. By adding s to apple, we've got the plural form of it. Same goes to elephant and cup. Okay? But there are some other ones too. For example, here we've got baby, we've got city. Okay? Nouns that ends with a y, what do we do to them? What you have to look at, if any noun that ends with a y, is to look out for the letter that comes before the y. Okay? In this case, this one is B before the y. In this case, this one is T before the y. Okay? So this is going to help us. Here they say end of noun, consonant plus y. So if you've got consonant here, just like we've got here, because B is a consonant. Don't forget your English alphabet. There are 26 of them, and you know 5 of them are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Aside from these 5 vowels, the rest 21 are called consonants. Consonants. Okay? So if you got a noun that ends with a Y, you look out for the letter that comes before the Y and see if it is a consonant or if it is a vowel. Okay? If it is a consonant, you remove the Y, put I there, and then add ES to form the plural. Okay? So the plural form, you change the Y to I and add what? ES. Here again, we've got B-O-Y, which is boy, boys. Why do we not remove the Y and put I and ES? Because we have vowel before the Y. Vowel O is a vowel before the Y. So E is a vowel before the Y in key. In boy, O is a vowel before the Y. So we'll just add S to it. So key, we've got E is a vowel, which comes with the letter before the Y. So all we just need to do, we just put S here to form the plural. Okay? So these are the tips that you need to know. So when you'll be doing your singular and plural, you'll be doing a whole lot of exercise in class to make sure you guys get used to using these singular and plural forms. Okay? So here we've got wife, W-I-F-E. The ones that end with F or F-E. What do? We remove the F or F-E and add what? V-E-S. We remove the F or F-E and put V, then add E-S. So people would rather say just put V-E-S. It's up to you how you want to make it to look easier for you. But when you see F, if a noun ends with an F or F-E, what do? We remove the F or F-E, put V, then add E-S. Okay? They will have thief, thief. They'll have The plural form of this one have to remove the F and put what? Add V, then add ES, becomes T. Thieves, thieves, wives, wife, wives, thief, thieves. Yeah, we've got dish. So we've got, I gave you a short note the other time where I wrote out all these one, SH, CH, SS, and all that. But you still got it here too. So this is going to be more comprehensive than the one that I gave to you earlier. So I will be sending this across because I want you to have this, in your note. So you can always make reference to it and make sure you understand how to form the plural form of your nouns. So here we've got dish ends with SH. So what do? All the nouns that end with SH, CH, SS, or X, the plural form will just add ES to those ones. Z. So the pronunciation is dish, dishes, dishes, dish, dishes, march, marches, class, classes, box, boxes. So also we've got this one, noun that ends with O. So you have to look at what comes if it is a consonant before the O. In this case, what you do, you add ES. But if it is a vowel before the O, you add only S. Okay, let's go see. Here we've got tomato. You see, we've got T before the O, which is what? T is a consonant. So that's the reason we did what? We add ES. But here we've got potato. Potato, here we've got A is a consonant, T is a consonant before the O. We also added ES. But here we've got zoo, because O is a consonant, it's a vowel. So that's why we added only S to it. Same goes to radio. Radio that you listen at home. You see, the radio ends with O, but it has a vowel I before the O. So all we just have to do is to put S here. Okay? So I'm going to send this across to you to help you, but after that, we're going to look at this one. Practice complete sentences. Use the plural form of the words in the list. Use each word only once. Already been given an example. Here we have Mr. and Mrs. Parker have one daughter and two sons. They have one girl and two boys. Did you see that? Why did we put only S here? Because here boy ends with a Y, but you have a vowel O before the Y. So that's why we added only S. But if we've gotten something that is a consonant before the Y, what do? We remove the Y, put what? I, then put ES. Okay? So you have to do this exercise from number 2. The students in my class come from many. I have to choose from here. Country. So they come from many. Is it country or countries? We're supposed to use the plural form. So you have to form the plural for all these things after reading this sentence. Okay? Women give birth to. Then you have to find what is going to be here. To give birth is to deliver, to have a baby. They give birth to what? My money and my are in my pocket. I know the names of many in the United States and Canada. I like to go to because I like to meet and talk to people. People carry their food on in cafeteria. We always use our when we write compositions. Good evening, gentlemen. Number 2 to number 10. So that's what we're going to do today, okay? And the homework I gave to you yesterday. we'll be looking at that as soon as you join me at the Zoom meeting. Okay, so we'll do that first. Then it's either you pause your video and copy this. When you're done, you can go back again and stop at this place so you can copy this, or you indicate on your Facebook group. Maybe I will send this across to you. If you cannot pause like this, copy it. Okay. Okay, that's going to be all about it for now, and I'll be waiting.